Aloha hou mai kako e nā mākua o ka punana leo. Mai kahi pai a kahi pai, velina me ke aloha kako a pau. A mahalo ke ia hui hou ana no ke ia Haʻawina ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. Mahalo nui ke ia hui ana o kako. And we're back for another Haʻawina ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi. E hoʻomaka kako. Oh yeah, I like me ka maʻamau. As usual, we're going to review nā pahu hopu. Helu e kahi, we're going to nā ana I nā pilina ʻōlelo I aʻo mua ia. We're going to review the grammatical features that we learned before in the previous Haʻawina, and that is the Pepeke ʻAike he, right, me kona kino hoʻole. So again, the Pepeke ʻAike he is an equational sentence, right, stating that something is a thing and it's non-specific. Yeah, we're using the word a or an. And we're also going to review its kino ho'ole, which is its negative form. Okay. The next one is the Pepeke ʻAike o. Again, this is also an equational sentence, but in this case, we're saying that something is the thing or his thing or her thing. So it's very specific. So we're going to take a look at the Pepeke ʻAike o again in both its positive and negative forms. Yeah, kona kino ho'ole. All right, and helu elua, we're going to a'u ina ninau. We're just going to review some questions using the Pepeke ʻAike he and the Pepeke ʻAike o, how to ask the question and how to answer the question. And finally, helu e kolu, e a'u ina hua ʻōlelo o ke anila. We're going to learn words for the different types of weather. Anila is our word for weather. All right, with that said, e ho'omaka kako. All right, the first Pepeke that we're going to review tonight is again the Pepeke ʻAike he. It is the equational sentence that something is a thing. We have two images that's going to kind of give us the clue what we're going to be talking about. So let's take a look at our first Pepeke ʻAike he. And it's a question, and it's asking, he aha ke la ma o. Remember now, all of these things we've covered in the previous video. So if this is brand new to you, please make sure that you review the previous video lessons before you watch this video. All right, he aha ke la ma o. So the question is, what is that? Yeah, ke la is that. Where? Over there. Okay, usually pointing. What is that over there? Let's take a look at the possible answer. According to the ki'i, or the image, the illustration that we're using, he ua ke la ma'o. Okay, let's take a look at the mana'o. That, right, ke la being that, is a what? Is rain over there. Okay, he ua ke la ma'o. Maikai. The next question is he aha ke ia ma ke ala nui. He aha ke ia ma ke ala nui. Okay. He aha ke ia, what is this? The first question was he aha ke la, what is that? Now we're asking he aha ke ia. So he aha ke ia, where? Ma ke ala nui. Yeah, ma, in, on, or at. Ke ala nui. As we can see in the ki'i, it is the road. Yeah, ke ala nui. Let's take a look at what the reply would be. Ai, he ohu ke ia ma ke ala nui. This is mist. Where is this mist? Ma ke ala nui. Yeah, on the road. All right, mai ka iloa ho'omau aku no. All right, another Pepeke ʻAike he. Let's take a look at our sentence. He aha ke la ua ma o. Yeah, if you can see in the picture, we can get an idea of what ua is. And where is it located? Ma o. Yeah, over there. So let's take a look at the pane. He kanile hua ke la ua ma o. That ua is a kanile hua rain. And where? It's ma o, over there. Yeah, pointing. Oh, it's over there somewhere, off in the distance. And let's take a look at the unuhi, the translation. That rain is a kanile hua rain over there. Yeah, that rain is a kanilehua rain over there. And of course, if you're familiar with Hawaiian mele and Hawaiian proverbs, ʻŌlelo no ʻeau, you would know that kanilehua is the rain associated with hilo, the aina of hilo. Okay, maikai. Let's take a look at the next one. He aha ke ia makani makona. Yeah, he aha ke ia makani makona. He aha, again, what? Ke ia, this. Makani is one of our words And where are we talking about? Makona. Yeah, Kailua Kona on the island of Hawaii. He aha keia makani makona. And let's take a look at the reply. He eka keia makani makona. And again, this is a name. Yeah, this wind is an eka wind in Kona. So these two questions are asking for a specific name of a type of rain or a type of wind. And this is a beautiful thing because in Hawaiian culture, every wind and every rain has a name. As we can see, they are capitalized because they are names that we can remember them by. A oya mai ka'i ho'omauaku no. We have elua ki'i ho'owaku. We have two more ki'i that'll be in our sentence pattern. So let's take a look. So this is just a positive statement. Yeah, a pepeke ʻaike he in the positive form. He wila ke kukui makalani. Kukui is light, right? It's like the light in the sky. It's the light in your hale, right? The light that you use to illuminate something. So what are we saying? What is the kukui? The kukui is a wila makalani, and that word means lightning. And then we use that word to mean electricity as well. And where is this wila occurring? Polole makalani, yeah, in the heavens, in the sky, makalani. Ma in on or at. Lani is the word that we use for heavens or for the sky, and it's preceded by the ka'ika. All right, let's negate this sentence. A ole ke kukui he wila makalani. The light is not a lightning in the heavens. It is not a lightning, it's something else. So this is a great way to say that something is not something. So we thought it was lightning, but ole, it is something else. All right, Maikai, the next one is hehekili kelakani mauka. So what are we talking about here? Hehekili. Hekili is the word for thunder, polole, kelakani, that kani. And what is the kani? The sound. And where is this taking place? Mauka, in the uplands, toward the uplands. Mauka. So let's put that together. Hehikili ke la kani mauka. Yeah. That kani or that sound is a what? Is a thunder. Where? Mauka. Let's negate that and we would say ole ke la kani hehikili mauka. So a quick review of our positioning, yeah? He wila is in the po'o position, followed by ke kukui, which is the piko of the sentence, and then followed by the ave, which is telling us the location, yeah, makalani. When we negate, ole appears in the po'o position, the first po'o of two, followed by the piko, which is ke kukui, and then followed by the second po'o, which is he wila. Okay, so po'o, piko, po'o, and then the ave makalani again. Same thing for the second sentence. He kili is our po'o. Ke la kani is the piko position. And then we have mauka, which is our ave. When we negate, ole comes first, followed by ke la kani, which is our piko. And then we have the second po'o, he kili, followed by the ave mauka. For our last review item for this Haʻawina, inana kākou, o ke ia kakahiaka, ka wā, maka papa manawa. So in the po'o position, we have o ke ia kakahiaka. Then in the piko position, we have ka wā, followed by the ave, maka papa manawa. Yeah. Ma, in, on, or at, what? Ka papa manawa. Okay, our schedule. So what we're saying here is that this morning is the va, the period of time that is on the schedule. Yeah, that is written or listed on the schedule. O ke ia kakahiaka ka va. Yeah, this morning is the time, not this afternoon, not this evening. This morning is the time listed on our Papa Manava. And then we're going to go ahead and negate that. And again, ole becomes the po'o ekahi, followed by kava, which is our piko, followed by our second po'o, which is okeia kakahiaka, followed by the ave, maka Papa Manava. So what we're saying here is this morning is not the time or the va or the period of time listed or written on the Papa Manava. And that is our schedule. Okay, mai ka iloa. Last one. O ke la, ke a nue nue, makalani. Okay, so o ke la is in our po'o position. Ke a nue nue is our piko of the sentence. Where is this a nue nue appearing? Makalani. And we had makalani in the previous slide. In the sky, in the heavens. Yeah, makalani. And you can get an idea if you don't know the word a nui nui, it is the word for rainbow. And these beautiful ki'i are giving you guys a little bit of a hint on what we're looking at right now. A nui nui is one of those words that's preceded by ke, according to the keao rule. So we use kea nui nui, o ke la, kea nui nui, makalani. Now let's negate this. What do we start off with? Every time when we negate, polole, a ole, ke a nui nui, o ke la, makalani. Yeah, a ole is in the po'o position, the first po'o position, followed by ke a nui nui, which is our piko, and then by o ke la, which is in the second po'o position, and then followed by our ave, makalani, in the heavens. So a ole, ke a nui nui, o ke la, makalani, that is not the rainbow in the heavens or in the sky. Okay? This video was just a quick review of the Pepeke ʻAike he and the Pepeke ʻAike o in both the positive and negative forms using our vocabulary list of things that pertain to Keani la or the various types of weather patterns. Yeah? No leila, oia vale no e na ohana no ke iahiahi, mahalo ke ia hui ana, a hui ho kako ma ke kahi haʻawina. Aloha. The production of this podcast was supported by grant number 90NB0038-02-00 from ACF. Its content is solely the responsibility of Aha Punana Leo Incorporated and does not necessarily represent the official views of ACF.